Snow has been sparse this winter. A storm system is on its way, but while it's coming, I thought I'd come out and do some skiing in the sand dunes.
What I plan to do today is hike to the top of Sand Mountain. I brought a pair of skis to see how I can do on this sand on the way down.
Lugging myself and my skis up this tall dune was a struggle session. Near the summit was this marker to Adrian Telles, who died last September.
Top of Sand Mountain. Hard to get up here because of that loose, steep sand. Nice spot though. Fun.
Out west you see the salt flats, and out on the horizon that tall range of mountains is the deep creeks. The Nevada border is just on the other side.
Now it's time to go down Sand Mountain. I'm going to put on these skis and see how it is to ski down it. I'm a little nervous about it. There were some really steep spots. And I've never skied on sand before. It's got to be weird.
That stretch was more of a ski shuffle than a ski run.
So there we have it. Hiked up Sand Mountain, lugged skis up, almost to the top. Hiked to the top, looked around, came back down, put my skis on, shuffled down. Not terribly dramatic. The skis are very slow on the sand. So you can go down a pretty steep slope and you just go. Pretty hard to do turns. Anyway, I thought of it, so I came out and tried it.